Hello everyone, in this Linux tutorial we will learn how to list, display, create and modify hidden files by using a Linux terminal and graphics user interface. This tutorial is based on Linux Ubuntu version. However, everything explained in this tutorial can be used in other Linux distributions. Okay, let's start immediately. The first step is to open a Linux terminal. We can do that by clicking on Activities and typing here Terminal. Here it is. Now, let's go to the home folder by typing this, and inside of the home folder, let's create a new folder called test1. We can do it by typing make dir test1. Press enter. Let us navigate to this folder by typing cd test1. In Linux, hidden files start with a dot. In American English, dot is called a period. In British English, a period is called a full stop. That is, by using the American English convention, in Linux, hidden files start with a period. Let us learn how to create a hidden file. We can do this by typing this, touch dot hidden file. And I will add the extension txt. Over here, I'm creating a hidden file called hiddenfile.txt. Note over here that the hidden file starts with a period. The command touch will create an empty file. So let's do that. In addition to this file, let's create another file. That's not a hidden file. So let's type touch to create an empty file, and let's call the file not hidden file.txt. To list all the files in this folder, we need to type ls-l. And what do we see over here? Well, we see only a single file, and here it is. And that's the file that's not hidden. However, we don't see the hidden file starting with a period. To list all the files, including the hidden files, we need to type ls-la. And here it is. Here's our hidden text file. That is, to display the hidden files, we need to type ls-la. Next, let's learn how to edit hidden files. For that purpose, you need to have a gedit. Let's install gedit. To install a gedit, you need to type sudo apt-get install gedit. And after entering your password, you should install gedit. To edit the file, you need to type the following: gedit, and over here you need to specify the name of the file, dot hidden file.txt. And here it is. Let's type a text. This is a hidden file. Let's save this file, close the gedit, and let's go back to our terminal. Now again, we don't see it if we type ls-l. However, with ls-la, we will see our hidden file. Here it is. Next, let us learn how to display and list hidden files by using the Linux Ubuntu graphics user interface. Go back to the graphics user interface and click on Activities and click over here Files. Click on this Files Explorer. Now navigate to the home folder and click on test1. And here's our test1 folder. What do we see over here? We see this file that's not hidden. However, we don't see our hidden file. To see the hidden file, you need to press Ctrl and H. And here it is. Here's our hidden files. Now you can double click on this file and you can open it. Now if you press again Ctrl H, the hidden file will disappear. And again Ctrl H, and the hidden file will appear. Another way to display the hidden file is to click over here and to activate this button, show hidden files. And here it is. Now let's go back to the terminal and let's clean our workspace. So go back one level up, that is, go to the home folder and type rmr test1. This command will erase all the files in the folder test1, and it will also erase the folder called test1. Here it is. And let's now list everything in our home folder, and you cannot see test1. Okay, that's all for today. I hope that you like this video. If you like the videos I'm creating, please press the like and subscribe buttons. Thanks a lot and have a nice day.